Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Here NASDAQ selling market. Where is this thing? So it's shorty, right? So from there, which is here, you can go short. Chain. Let's see what's happening. Okay, so here, let's you wanna draw a line to here, select level, right? And then what you gonna call it? This is gonna be relative equal lows. Like you see, those are relative equal lows. So if you're at this side, then we see below we're gonna have these levels. So most definitely the market will do it. It's gonna expand lower, reaching for the equal lows, also reaching for the opening. You see the daily opening price. It's gonna be here. So from the daily opening price, we can look for these markets to be pulled towards these level. Right? We want to see these markets pulled towards this level, which is going to be the daily relative equal lows at that level, right? And again, what we can also do, we could also see that most definitely it's going to give us these levels, and also obviously we're gonna come to that level, right? So that's gonna be resting in a form of saddle stops, right? They'll be resting in a form of saddle stops. So obviously you see that you will come there, and you might even let's see, maybe on 5 minutes chart or 8 offers. So 5 minutes chart, what we can do, we can maybe play with fixed range volume profile relative to the low to the current market price, but to that level. And then again, remember I did teach you how to use the fixed range volume profile, right? I think we did hold some few zones, free zones there. So that level, so the market we said is gonna do what? Once it drops below that level, we can be looking for short, but only when the market is ready to do what, to go short. Right, so the targets we can also extend it to here. Right. So here, that's where you're gonna get the short. So these we can even push further lower, but now I'm just showing you this, right? This is the setup I'm currently in, right? That's the setup I'm currently in now. So yeah, we can even come to that level, but I'm not interested here. So my trading is just gonna be on this price action only, right? So if it goes lower, I don't care if it does that, right? What I want is actually here, it's actually at these levels, right? So now equal lows. So if we are equal lows, obviously the market is gonna be pulled towards those lows, and then we're gonna have this level, right? This level that we said is what the opening. You see this candlestick, it's time 1655. You see that 1655 candle. If you draw a line like that, understand, if you draw a line like that, and we know the usually if we are bearish, it's good to buy above these levels, this opening. If we are bearish, it's good to actually just sell, not to buy. If we are bearish, it's good to sell. So if we are in this side, we are above this level. So That's set up. It has to play out. There's no way it won't play out. There is no way. Understand? So you have to do that, and then again current market price, because I'm one of those people who focus on the current market price, right? I don't care what's going to happen tomorrow. I only focus on what's happening now, right? So now, what did they do? See, they came. Then you see, we wanna have what? We wanna have. Okay, so we have that one, right? And then we wanna have. Oops. Okay, that one is not that. Actually, you wanted to move this guy. We have this one now, right? And then that's in terms of those people who use trend lines. So they said if we use trend lines, where are we buying? We want to buy when the market, it helps that trend line. You see, so if we buy in there, it means we want to have something like this. Or if it's a buy, they, okay, for example, we can see maybe there on the trend means maybe we buy if they want to buy, maybe expecting these markets to do what? To run the short-term levels, the highs. That might be the expectation, but the stops, that's the most important thing. The stops, it's what you want. Where are the stops? Where are the stops if we buy using the trend line? It's obvious the stops. Then what are we? Below. Here, here, here. So now we want those stops. That's why we study in these markets. Right? The market is only looking for liquidity. It's nothing more. Right, so liquidity is gonna be here at those levels. So most definitely we're gonna expand lower. Right, we're gonna expand lower. And here it's more visible here when the market it came back on that fixed range volume profile, the biggest volume. I think here I can use rate. You see, so the market it went below, it came there to the downside, and then what's the filter? What's the filter? Okay, this is a stop loss of the person who's buying on the trend. So you see, we wanna attack that stop most definitely. So again, the filter again, the most important thing is gonna be the session. So this is NY session. You see, NY session is gonna be from there. So once you have those, okay, actually there are a lot of things that are happening here, right? But this trade, it's actually framed in that fixed volume profile, but the mentorship students, they see that this is actually that first quarter level, right? Or if they're looking at this level, it's at that strong S&D levels there, right? Then obviously boom to the downside, we hit the stops now, expansion to the downside. You see, simple as that. Then we are done with this level there. And we came below that level, you see. So that's how you're gonna frame your trades. It's actually easy, not that difficult. So now we are done with the stops, right? So I'll try to show you my execution below there and leave it in the description, the link. You see, so now I'm just waiting for it to hit that level so we can close this thing. Right, so it's simple, like simple transaction. Obviously, mentorship student, you know what's happening, right? You know what's happening, and again, we might even come to that level, right? But the most important one is gonna be here, right? That it can be another drawn liquidity to that level. You see? So I hope you find that one insightful. I'll see you in the next trading